Want to know how to add Livestorm's chatbot for webinars? In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps to integrate the chatbot seamlessly, enhance engagement, and make your webinars stand out. Stick around to the end because we'll also cover some cool tips and exclusive bonuses that can help you get started with Livestorm completely for free. Livestorm is an all-in-one webinar platform that allows you to host live events, webinars, and virtual conferences. What sets Livestorm apart is its powerful features, one of which is its chatbot for webinars. This bot helps automate communication, engage with attendees in real time, and makes your webinars more interactive. First things first, you need to log into your Livestorm account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can get started for free with our exclusive link below. Once you're logged in, go to the Event Settings section of your dashboard. From there, navigate to the Automations tab. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see the option to add the chatbot to your webinar. Now, Livestorm's chatbot can be fully customized to fit your needs. You can set it up to send automatic greetings to your attendees, answer common questions, or even promote offers throughout the event. Once you've selected the chatbot option, you'll be able to design the flow of your chatbot. You can choose from pre-built templates or create your own, setting up quick replies for frequent queries, offering downloadable content, and even redirecting attendees to a registration page are all features that you can program. Next, you'll want to test your chatbot to make sure it's working as intended. This is key. Since the bot will be interacting with your audience, you want to ensure that it's responding accurately and quickly. In the test mode, you can preview how your chatbot responds, adjust its behavior, and even troubleshoot if needed. The beauty of Livestorm's chatbot is its seamless integration into your webinar without needing to rely on external apps or complex coding. It works directly within the platform, saving you time and effort. Now, here's something to keep in mind. While the chatbot is running, you'll still have full control over the conversation. If the bot doesn't have an answer, it can automatically escalate the question to you or another team member. This ensures your attendees are never left hanging. To take your chatbot experience even further, you can integrate it with other tools in Livestorm. For example, you can sync it with your CRM or marketing platforms to collect valuable data, track attendee engagement, and even follow up after the webinar. Before wrapping up, don't forget that Livestorm offers a range of analytics to measure your chatbot's performance. You can track how many people interacted with the bot, which responses were the most popular, and even how many leads were generated from your automated conversations. To get started, check the first link below for an exclusive bonus and free trial of Livestorm. You'll have access to all the features, including the chatbot, and can test everything for yourself. And there you have it. Adding Livestorm's chatbot for your webinars is simple, effective, and a great way to boost your webinar's engagement. Make sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial offer using the link below.